On today's video, I was inspired by this pretty Christmas lamppost and decided I wanted a set of two of my own, but with my own design in mind. I wanted to begin by showing you all of the things that I will be using to make this super easy DIY project. For starters, I bought these cute little lanterns from Family Dollar earlier in the summer, and I want to say that I bought them for $3 each. What I like about them is they're battery operated, so I don't have to worry about the lighting going out. And what I love the most is LED lighting to it. It has a pretty yellow dim look. I will definitely show you that later on in the video. I also have two different sets of curtain rods. I really wish that they were the same, but you're not going to notice them once I have them put together. I also purchased these beach buckets. As you see, I have one upside down so that you can see that the actual color was a nice bright yellow, but I used Rust-Oleum paint and primer paint spray, and as you see, it gave it a pretty nice black glossy look, which I will be using these buckets as the actual stand for the lamppost, and I just can't wait to get started. So let's do that. Although we just approached the month of November, I'm getting Christmas ready now so I can be prepared with where I'm putting certain decorations throughout my family room. I really hope I inspired you to get into the holiday spirit. Thank you for watching and happy holidays to you all.